What's up everyone? Today I'm back with another product that can help us be as accurate as possible. Ronix RH9340 is a tool that helps you ascertain the distance volume, the area measurement, the continuous measurement, and the measurement by Pythagoras. And that's why many users at homes, in various industries, and even on construction work sites finds it really useful. This small light tool works with two 1.5 volt batteries right here and done. In RH9340, there's a big screen and a keypad. On the screen, you can see the measurement number, the measurement mode, and the level of the batteries. There are 10 keys in the keypad. The first one is the measurement mode. The second one is minimum, maximum, bottom. You just have to move the beam toward your target, just like that. And it will show you the maximum, minimum distance. And if you're terrible at math, like I am, this button right here will help you do the math effortlessly. Too much beeping. Back and turned off. You also have a button here. This is a history button that helps you see the 20th action that you've done recently, and the reference button. It helps you choose whether to start and measure from the bottom or the top. And you can also choose if you want to work with feet, inch, or meter. That's your call.
Ronix Premium Quality.